Steak and potato bites on the Blackstone. Let's get it. I've already cooked a few pieces of bacon to chop up and put on the potatoes once they're done. I had the steaks on the big green egg cooking indirect at about 250 degrees.
And all I'm gonna do now is spread this bacon grease across the whole griddle. So I just used the Yukon Gold potatoes and sliced them to about 1/8 of an inch thick. And I'm just gonna put those all over the griddle. All right, now that I have them all flipped over, we're gonna add cheese. You can add your favorite cheese. I'm going with a sharp cheddar today. Once the cheese is melted, they're done. I used the meter probe to make sure the steaks were up to temp. They're at 125. Once you get the griddle nice and hot, it's time to add some bacon up. Bacon up is real bacon fat sold in tubs. You can find it at some Walmarts and other stores, as well as in my Amazon storefront, which is linked to my bio. Also in the Amazon storefront, you can find these fans that keep the flies away, and then this griddle tool holder, which is the second link in the grilling section.
Check out the sizzle when I drop these steaks on the hot griddle.
After about a minute to minute and a half on each side, these steaks are done. Let's cut into this ribeye and see what we've got. We're hoping for wall-to-wall pink. I'm gonna top these with some chives and some bacon. You know the cook always gets to try the first one. Perfect game day appetizer, anytime appetizer, great with a meal. Let's eat, y'all.